In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report inappropriate content on Udemy on desktop. If you come across something in a Udemy course that feels unsafe, offensive, misleading, spammy, or otherwise breaks Udemy's guidelines, it's important to report it so it can be reviewed. On desktop, the process is quick, and your report goes directly to Udemy's trust and safety team. Start by opening the course page where you found the problematic content. This could be a course you're already enrolled in, or one you're previewing. It helps to note exactly where the issue appears, like a specific lecture title, a timestamp, a quiz question, or even a section of the Q&A. You don't need to message the instructor or argue in the reviews. The reporting tool is the right channel for this. Once you're on that course page, scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll pass the course overview, the curriculum, the instructor bio, FAQs, and student reviews. Keep going until you reach the footer area of the page. On desktop, this is where Udemy places a link labeled Report Abuse. Click the Report Abuse button. This opens a short form designed to capture what's wrong. The form may ask you to pick a category that best describes the issue. Choose the one that most closely matches what you saw, whether it's hateful or harassing content, dangerous or deceptive instructions, intellectual property concerns, or something else that violates the guidelines. Use the description box to be as specific as you can. Clarity helps the reviewers understand and verify the problem quickly. Include details like the lecture title and, if applicable, the timestamp where the issue appears. Briefly describe what happened and why it's inappropriate. Keep your report factual and focused on the content, not the instructor personally. If multiple instances occur, list a couple of representative examples so the team can locate them. You don't need to include any personal information, just the context that helps identify the issue. When you submit, your report flags the course and notifies Udemy's trust and safety team for review. They handle these reports behind the scenes, and while you may not receive a detailed follow-up, they do investigate and take action based on their policies. Your report is confidential, and using this process helps maintain a safe and high-quality learning environment for everyone. That's it. You visit the course page, scroll to the bottom, click Report Abuse, and follow the prompts to describe what's wrong. Thanks for doing your part to keep the platform respectful and trustworthy, and for watching.